Tristan with Keel Team Real Estate Investments from Investor Relations. It's that time of the year again where we're going to be reporting on the top trading mobile home park REITs, which are Sun Communities, ELS Properties, UMH Properties, and Flagship Communities. We're going to be looking at, as we do every quarter, the stock price performance, net operating income, occupancy rates, and lot rent growth in this quick short video. We've also attached the link to the full blog in the description below. Please check it out if you want to get a full scope of what happened in that last quarter. With that being said, let's jump right in. All right, starting with the stock price performance. So as you'll see, it was a bit of a mixed bag this quarter. Starting with Sun Communities, they came in at $123.91, which is up slightly year over year from $122.97, but down from quarter 3 2025, which was $126.49. Then we have ELS Properties. They came in at $60.61, which is down year over year from $66, and also down from the previous quarter 3 2025, where they came in at $61.67. Then we have UMH Properties. They came in at $15.91, which is down year over year as well, which was $18.88. And then they were also down from the previous quarter, which was $16.79. Then we have Flagship Communities, and this is probably the main standout over here. They came in at $20, which is up year over year from $14.99, as well as up from the previous quarter 3 2025, which soared at $18.75. So while the larger REITs did see some pressure in their stock price performance, I think Flagship Communities was very much the standout over here. Next, we look at the net operating income, and this is, I'd say the most encouraging part. You can see that all the major mobile home park REITs all were up year over year, as well as up from the previous quarter, which is a great sign. So we'll start with Sun Communities. They closed the quarter 4 2025 at $178.8 million, which is up from $161.9 million, as well as up from $171.8 million from the previous quarter. ELS Properties closed at $189.9 million, which is up from $180 million in quarter 4 2024, and up from $186 million in quarter 3 2025. Then we have UMH Properties. They closed the quarter at $34.1 million, which is up year over year from $31.1 million. Then we have Flagship Communities. They closed at $18.4 million, up from $14 million year over year, as well as up from $16.7 million in quarter 3 2025. So overall, strong operational performance and all showing an upward trend in this department. Now looking at the occupancy rates. So Sun Communities leads at 97.2%, ELS Properties sits at 94%, UMH at 88.3%, and Flagship Communities at 82.9%. So overall, you can see that there's a bit of a downward trend, especially quarter over quarter, but you can see that most of the top mobile home park REITs are still maintaining above 90% occupancy. All right, then looking at lot rent growth. So this is where you'll see upward trends. Sun Communities, they closed the quarter at $745, which is up from $708, which represents a 5.2% year over year growth. Then we have ELS Properties. They closed at $922, up from $870, which does show a 6% year over year growth. Then UMH Properties, they closed at $571 compared to $544 in the previous year. They're up about 5%. And then Flagship Communities, they closed at $483, up from $448, which is roughly about a 7.8% gain. So we're seeing overall in this department about a 5 to 8% rent growth across the board, which is driven by demand and the overall affordability advantage of mobile home parks, and we will likely see an upward trend within this metric. So that's quarter 4 2025 summed up in a nutshell. NOI is up, lot rents are climbing, despite some pressures with some stock price performance and occupancy rates. But yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you're looking for the full breakdown with tables and stats, please do check out the blog post, which is linked in the description. We also have attached some additional resources, such as a free ebook, which goes through the top 20 things that Andrew Keel has learned from investing in this space. If you're a new investor, you just want to basically check out what we look for during due diligence, highly recommend just checking that out. Otherwise, thank you so much, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.